Viewers, today top international brands are exhibiting in Gift and Lifestyle Middle East 2023 at World Trade Center Dubai, United Arab Emirates. So let's go and talk to one of the top brand of this expo.
My name is Isaac. I'm the CEO of Bags Direct and Eco Lifestyle. We have been in operations for nearly 35 years, and recently we are opening our first office in Barcelona, and we are hoping to expand into many countries in the world. We are also listed in Amazon, and we will start in the USA within 5 months, and hoping to grow and continue the great success journey of our company. We are looking for interested parties to work together with us, and together we can build more foundations in all our business activities.